Big shot. Let's go. Yeah, I was the going there, yeah.
Someone shot me in the rib like 4 times and it hurts so much.
Oh.
You got to the top of it.
Yeah. You do it. I'm weak. Oh, that one. Oh, nice. That's cool. I like that. Holy shit. That's warm. Whoa, no, who's going to take the VFP?
Yeah, he was just holding them all on that corner. Yeah. Right, new VIP. Tarkov.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Back on!
Oh, golden gun. I should have done that earlier.
See, come on.
Hey, that's perfect.
I think it's. I had to follow you also with.
Yeah, it's impossible.
Yeah, you won't be able to hit him. Yeah, we'll run that one next to him. And we'll just like cover him up.
Yeah, so they see us coming.
Yeah, then just run back.
And then the right go.
Sorry. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Did I hit you in the hand?
Okay, you were one of them.
Where were you allowed? Where did you start?
From here.
Yeah.
I was behind that.
As long as we're behind this hedge.
Where we were.
We weren't behind on the hill at all. We did not go on the hill. We did not go up there. No, no one went behind that bush. No one went behind that bush the whole game and shot everyone from that bush. No one did that. Let's go! Ooh, look, a beetle. Look.
They just shot through the head. Like, you know.
Seen them?
And I thought,
Oh, big beetle. Oh. I was going to kill him.
No. You ever seen them carrying shit? They're crazy, mate. They're so strong. They carry like massive balls of shit. Just make balls of shit and just carry them. It's crazy. Yeah,
awesome.
yeah.
Game on in 3, 2, 1. Game on, game on, game on. What am I supposed to do anyway?
You got a shield, man. Yeah, mate, they're gone. Is she hit already? Alright, go. Ah, Oh, dead. That's cool. Oh dear, that was so bad. Oh, it's close. No, it's close. Oh, oh, mate. Oh, it's not close. Yes, got him.
3, 4, 5 up on our left here.
Hit. Yes, baby. Oh, gun hit!